How to fix can't reach DNS server in Windows 11. Hello friends, when you try to connect to internet and run Get Help app for troubleshooting, you might get this error message. Can't reach DNS server. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, make sure that network jammer is not active in your area. Trace if any network jammer is active in your area. The jammers are generally activated during examinations or law and order problems by the government. The jammers prevent Wi-Fi signal from working. If any network jammers are running, wait until the normal network is resumed. The next method you can try is restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. For this, click on search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the result, look for the running network adapter. The running adapter will show green signal mark. On the adapter showing green signal mark, right click and select disable. Then again right click on the network adapter and select enable. The Wi-Fi will be connected again automatically. Check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, reset network. Click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, click on yes. Now go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Then copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the problem still occurs, restart the router. Turn off the power source of the router. Wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds and then power on the router. Wait until the network is stabilized and try to connect the internet. Then see if the method works. If the issue still persists, then change DNS IP addresses. Click on search. Again type ncpa.cpl. Click on the result. Right click on the adapter. Select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Click on properties. Check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK. Click on close. Close the control panel and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the problem is still occurring, then you can try using Ethernet over the Wi-Fi connection. A wired connection may work in this case. If any methods don't work, you can contact with the ISP, Internet Service Provider, and ask for the solution. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.